I have Happy Mail. One of them made me go, huh? And the other one made me go, squeak! Now, this is from Danny and Crispy, and I'll put their channels down below if you can't read those. And this is the one that made me go, huh? Because it's June. And it also made me realise I need to check my Amazon wish list, because I have no idea what's actually in there. So thanks Danny and Crispy, because yeah, I definitely need that. So I am going to be using this silicone mats, the coasters, the Christmas things, but trying not to be Christmassy. But look at these! Oh my god! How tiny is this? This is from Gav. I only asked for a candlestick and I opened it. There's a teeny tiny mushroom. Oh my god, it's so teeny tiny. And potion bottles and wine glass and, well, goblet. A little vase, another potion bottle, another goblet and another goblet, but that's not what made me squeal. Who is this? That is the most beautiful tiny pot I've ever seen, and look at that, the lid comes off and you can put stuff in it. That is teeny tiny heaven. I'm serious, that is teeny tiny heaven, and I am so impressed, Gav. I am in love with all these little pieces. They're just, oh, adorable. So, getting back to what Nikki and Crispy sent me, I thought, okay, we'll try not using the ones that don't look like Christmas. So we'll go with the heart, the star, the thing, shape, ball. We'll say ball, not bauble. It's not Christmas. And if you've been with me for a long time, you all know I am not a Christmas fan. I'll do Christmassy bits, but Christmas is not me. I am the Grinch. I love the Grinch. I am the Grinch. The Grinch is for life, not just for Christmas. So, I thought we can't use Christmas colours. It is not Christmas. I was adamant. No Christmas colours. So I'm using Let's Resin's Orchid, there you go, and Watermelon, which doesn't look like watermelon, which is very odd, but it's a nice colour, don't get me wrong, it's a really pretty colour. Thank you to all my members, you are all awesome sauce, and I am so pleased that you're with me in this really weird journey. So I am tight, so I don't put much colour in the actual pots. And you know what? You don't need a lot of colour. You really don't. It gets me when a lot of people put in heaps and heaps of spoonfuls of powder, and I'm thinking, why are you doing that? A good powder, you don't need that much. And I am tight and I don't like waste, and that one pot that somebody practically chucks in, I could probably have for about 3 months, using the same colour every week. You know, because I don't put much in. This is Rose Neon. It's a neon rose. And 2 drops is just enough. And then this is from Tina at Pour Resin with Love. I'll put all their channels in the description box, so please check them all out. They are all fantastic. Crispy and Danny are relatively new. That does not mean they're not good, because they are. Please go and check them out and go subscribe. And Tina is absolutely brilliant, so just subscribe to her anyway. Oh, and don't forget to watch. Watching is good. Right to the end. It's all very nice. That's the free thing you can do. I mean, it's all right joining in memberships. If you can't do that, that's fine. It's all right sending Amazon gifts off the wish list. That's fine too. But if you can't, just doing the free bits like watching, subscribing, liking, commenting, all them four gets us pushed out nicely. And YouTube's changed again, so it's, you know, a pain in the butt. But these colours, look at these colours. That one, oh, that is just pretty. That is so pretty. It's got this iridescent sheen to it. It's like, oh, I like you. And I do like purple. I like Grinch green. I like purple. Mostly I like black. Black is a very good colour. Oh, I do like red too. Got to be certain red though, like a scarlet. But this watermelon, yeah, it's to me it's orange. It's definitely orange. Burnt orange maybe. Oh God, burnt orange. It's like burnt umber. And who burnt it exactly? Actually, probably me, because I always forget I'm cooking, so I burn everything. Oh, that's by the by. It is a nice colour though, don't get me wrong. And I do like these Let's Resin colours. They really could do with being in bigger pots like, but they are nice. Pretty nice. I do like that rose, but that's because it's neon. I keep dipping into the neon. I think it's Michelle that got me these. I think Michelle got me these. Michelle sent me something. I can't remember now. I do keep all the little pieces of paper. Where are those pieces of paper? Somewhere in this craft area. They'll all appear again when I have to shift around. Because it won't last long, me being where I am. Something will bug me and I'll just laugh again. So, I have no idea what I'm doing. I don't know if I'm going for a crackle. I don't know if I'm going for a bloom. I don't know if I'm going for whatever technique. I'm just chucking it in and see what's what. Basically just to see where the tricky areas are on the baubles. No, not baubles. Heart, ball, star. And where, you know, all bubbles are going to hide and stuff like that. So I just want to see what happens when I chuck things together. Because I'm not one for techniques. I just, well, I still can't do a bloom, never mind hotel. So we shall see about that. But if I even try to do any techniques, actually, do you want to see me do techniques? I mean, I could. I mean, it'd be completely out of my comfort zone, which is also a good thing sometimes. So, yeah, let me know in comments if you actually want to see me doing resin techniques. So, if you all don't like me very much, that'd be, you know, a way of getting to bug me. Or if you just want to be nice and push my boundaries, you know. But that one I've just put clear down on that one, whereas the other one I put colours down first and then a clear push. I don't know what it's going to do, not a clue. But this purple, oh, it's just so stunning. And then I decide I'm going to do a star again. So I'm just basically going round and round in the star. I nearly said in a circle. I'm not going round in a circle, I'm going round in a star. And then I put in the watermelon. Do I put the white in or do I put a push in? I can't remember. Oh, white. We go for white. Oh yes, I go white over the top. I don't know why. Oh, I think this is the one I'm going to try and make a weird bloom out of. I don't know why I bothered. I really don't. Me and blooms. They just don't like me. They really don't. I mean, Leanne from epoxy, I'll put her channel down as well. She's brilliant at blooms. Me, no. I don't even know what I'm doing. I'm just trying to get a bubble out the top of there because I can see it's just formed nicely. Just use my silicone tool. So I'm doing another star through the watermelon now. And I do think I try and drag the silicone tool through it. I think I do. Oh dear. I'll have to wait and see because I can't remember myself. So your guess is as good as mine. I'll put a little blob of white in the centre, and instead of waiting and being careful what I'll do in the next one, I kind of just tipped the white in and it just went again, I don't know what I'm doing. I'm just picking up colours willy-nilly, hoping for the best and just see what happens. So I end up putting the neon rose on top of the white. I don't know why. I think I meant to put it on the inside of the white, only I misjudged. So now the purple is going on the inside. They're not purple. Orchid. That is just a gorgeous colour. And then I just put a push in the centre. And I already like that one. So then I thought, I've still got those left. Let's just do this one. The pointy ball, not a bauble. It's not Christmas. But I do like that shape. They would be great as the tops for like buildings. Like the Taj Mahal, that kind of shape. It's a very pretty shape. Or making tiles or a flooring sort of thing. Or, oh no, that thought just went out of my head. I do apologise. Nope, it's gone. Anyway, this one I decided then I'm going to drag it through. I've left it a little while. Let's drag it through, see if we can make this do a bloom. A star bloom. What do you reckon it does? Do you think it blooms? I don't think it blooms. But I am future me. And although I am future me, I have actually forgotten whether it blooms or not. It does look quite nice in the centre though. This one I'm just going willy-nilly with the colours. No rhyme or reason, just chucking it in and see what happens. So I'll put the white around the edge. It's very nice. Clean white. I know that sounds like a really silly thing to say, but I know what I mean. And then I go and do the same with that, just willy-nilly it. And I have got quite a bit of resin left. I didn't want to do the other 8 moulds because they are very Christmassy. Now, I'm going to let you into a secret. That's my favourite one, the one I've got the stick in. I thought it would be the ball, but it's that one. It kind of does this weird thing, and I really like it. Now, I am using a torch, but I'm only flicking at it. I'm not leaving it to burn the moulds. You're only supposed to use like a long nick lighter. Only I can't seem to find mine. So I have half filled up a soap mould holder. Soap holder mould. There we go. With the rest. And I'll just fill it with some black when I do black next. I have already taken out the star and the heart. And you can see that I've got Sally's resin, wax up in the corner. I used it as a barrier cream. Brilliant. That's made like this weird cloud effect inside. I like it, but it's weird. That, you can see straight through it, but that purple, oh. And that really tried to close it up on itself. Very odd. But it's this one. I like that one. The colours together is really pretty. Now, I have no idea what I'm going to do with these, other than put them straight into my box of doom. Look at that. That's so pretty. I don't know what it tried to do, but it's pretty. I've got a little bit of something stuck to the front. I need to take that off. It's not stuck. But yeah, I love the similar coloured one to that. The shape, but it's done with the colours. I like that one because, well, I don't know. I don't know what to do. I don't know if I should try them again, or should I do the techniques or not? I don't know. But anyway, I'm going to go around it with silver pen, and that sort of brings it out a bit. But I do end up writing words on the front of them. I think I write love and then UV resin over the top. I don't know why. I was just playing with them. I don't think I did them a service doing that, because my writing is not great. Give me a fountain pen, I can write really nice. Give me a chunky pen, my writing's terrible. It also depends on the day. I'm like that with drawing too. So I'm going around the circles, and I thought I'll just go across the top of this. Make it look like a proper bauble, even though it's not Christmas. Not Christmas. Bah humbugly. But it does look alright. I do like it. I like the colours together. Different. And watermelon definitely does not look like watermelon. I don't think it does. More like a orangey red. And watermelon's red. Oh, just eat a watermelon. Not the whole thing, a few slices. Not that greedy. So I'm going to do all 4, and I shall take some photos. Please like, subscribe, comment, hype if you can. I don't seem to be able to have that function. It pops up every once in a while on somebody's, and as soon as I see it, I will hype whoever I'm watching, but it's very, very rare I see it. I don't know if it's because I do YouTube on the computer more than I would like my tablet or my phone, so it might be that, I don't know. But yeah, thank you for staying till the end, and thank you to Danny and Crispy, and to Gav, and to Leanne, and to Tina. I am very happy with the Happy Mails, and happy with Leanne being really good at blooms. Slightly jealous too. Actually, no, I'm not. I'm really not jealous of her blooming. I just, no. And thank you to Tina for being a very good friend. So, I'm going to take some photos, and if you like what you see, do all the Uber-Tubby things. Bye-bye!